Our next laundry hack is for smelly grease. Are your clothes holding on to that burger joint aroma? Let's fix that. Rule number 1, always check the care label. We're in the business of smelling fresh, not destroying your clothes. Ingredient 1, Dawn dish soap. A true hero in the kitchen and laundry room. A 1/4 cup will do. And our secret weapon, eucalyptus oil. A teaspoon of this wonder will give your clothes a spa-like aroma. Now for some mixing magic. Combine the Dawn and eucalyptus oil to form a grease-fighting paste. Apply our DIY concoction to the smelly areas. Use an old toothbrush for a thorough job. Give it 10 minutes to penetrate and fight those grease odors. All set. Pop your garment in the wash as usual. Our DIY magic is about to shine. And there you have it, fresh and fabulous, grease smell gone. If you found our grease-fighting video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips like these. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.